So tons of people have been asking me if they should buy the global version of the Redmi K20 Pro, and I'm like, global version? Hey, my name is Mitchell. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about the tech I use. Before we get into talking about this, I want to thank everyone that uses my affiliate links. Without your support, I couldn't keep this channel going. Also, if you guys are looking to inspire video ideas or conversate with me, go ahead and check out Telegram and the Redmi K20 community specifically. It's a great place to learn information about the device and ask other people questions. Also, if you guys want written articles, check out the website. I've been working with a really talented writer, having all kinds of cool, interesting articles about the Poco F2 and the launch of the K20 Pro in India, and it's just got some really great content. Okay, enough talking, let's hop into the video. Now, a lot of the devices that you guys have seen on AliExpress that advertise themselves as a global K20 Pro are not global K20 Pros in the least bit. In fact, all of the K20 Pros for sale right now are the China version. The India version isn't launched until the middle of next month. And even then, it's looking like this India version of the device is going to be India only and not going to be one for international distribution, whereas the Mi 9T or K20 Non-Pro is. So with all of that aside, why you would not want to buy something that's being sold as the international version would mean that the vendor has probably unlocked the bootloader. So buying a device with a bootloader already unlocked, there is a couple of issues with that. Now, the first issue is that some people had issues with the Pocophone where when the device's bootloader was unlocked, the device was bound to that Xiaomi account when the vendor went to resell it and they put their own custom ROM on it. They did not fully take their Xiaomi account off the device, and the device remained bound to that Xiaomi account. Now, if you are looking to format the data on your device or anything along those lines, this can cause issues as Xiaomi will be asking for the password to that prior account, and some people in the past have not been able to do that. So some of that stuff can be fixed with custom recoveries. I'm not going to get into the specifics of it, but know that it does increase your risk of potentially not being able to modify the device later down the line. The next thing is that people will make a fake global ROM. This is something I've talked to developers about, and there have been instances of people making fake global ROMs or like garage brew ROMs, which are based on the China ROM, but with some of the China stuff taken out. And it's essentially a custom ROM that is built by one or two people and not necessarily a community. So it's not a very polished ROM. You're not going to have the full functionality as if it was like a custom ROM or possibly a global ROM. And it's more importantly, not truly a global device. Final reason why you shouldn't buy one of these fake global devices is that at the end of the day, you're buying a device that has already been opened at least for 15 days. It's already been bound to a reseller's account, and it's in many ways like not a new device. People that are wanting to get a truly new device, there's no way for the reseller to go ahead and add this custom ROM without removing it out of the packaging, taking the screen protector off, and loading their own ROM on it. So don't buy this device thinking it's brand new. Understand that at some level it is going to be used. Okay, if you want to see more about like custom ROMs on the Redmi K20 Pro, go ahead and click or tap right here. If you want to see a review on the camera for the Redmi K20 Pro, go ahead and click or tap right here. If you want to see more videos on my channel, hit the subscribe button right by my nose. And if you really loved it, think about turning on the notification bell. It's been Mitchell. See you soon.